Hey guys, Mr. P from Mr. P TV. Hope everybody's doing well, staying safe. Today, I don't have an assignment for you, it's in a lesson. And when we get back into school, you'll be able to use these tools on your project. And some of you, I have probably shown some of this, but it's a nice review when we get back into school and you want to build a project and I say, hey guys, what do you want to work on or what do you want to build or whatever. And it's going to help you out a little bit. It'll make your project a little bit more attractive or nice or a little bit different than somebody else's project, which is good. We like to decide what we want to do on our own. So I have 4 different pieces of plastic tools here. We have this one, this one, this one, and this one. And if you look on the back side of all these tools, there's a 90-degree angle. And what that's for is, it's very important when you use these tools. I'll hold this piece of wood up here. That 90-degree angle has to fit tight on both corners, all right? Both this way and this way. You can't be up like this and have a big gap. You can't be up like that and have a big gap. You put it there nice and tight and hold it. Watch this. Once I have it on there, correct? I can draw. Can you see that? Pretty cool, huh? It did a radius around the corner. But be careful, if you want to use this, you can. I picked number 5. You see the letters on there? It says 3, 4, 5, and 6. I picked the letter number 5. So I have to make sure that when I put it on this side, I want the same radius. Make sure, oh, I got number 5. That's good. I'll draw it there, right? Now I'm gonna do this corner. What do I have on there? Number 5. I check, I'm good. Because if I do number 3, they're all gonna be different. We wanna kinda have them the same. Number 5. Draw my line, and again, I'm tight both corners, no gap at all, this way or this way, right? And I draw again, and if you look on all 4 corners, they're all the same, radius, radius, radius. That's the first tracing tool that we have. We have another tracing tool, looks a little bit different. But again, it's smaller, but it still has those 90-degree corners on the inside, which is very important. And whatever number you pick, if you look, we have different numbers on here. You want to stay the same on all 4 corners. So, what's this one do, Mr. P? It does the same thing. It does a inside radius, right? But again, you have to take it, put it on your corners like this, right? Even smaller, no gap this way, no gap that way, nice and tight, and watch. I picked number 2. It draws the radius, it's just not as big as the other one. And I'll do all 4 corners. Number 2, yup, gotta check. Nice and tight, no gap this way, no gap that way. Stick it right in that corner so it's nice and tight. And draw one here. Then again, come over here, and I draw one there, and there you go. All my 4 corners have the same tight radius. That tool goes with this one. What else you got, Mr. P? Check it out. If you look at this one, this does circles on the inside. This one does circles on the outside. This is the blue one. And again, let's pick, oh, what's that say on there? Retirement plaques. Why did it say retirement plaques? Because when Mr. Peters builds retirement plaques, we use the same radius on the router of the retirement plaques. So, what I do, take it, what do I have to do? You got it, hold it tight in that corner. No gaps this way, no gaps that way. When you hold your sheet, no gaps whatsoever on that tracing tool. And now, I'll hold it, and I'll draw a circle. See it? Then I'll come this way, We have different designs, guys. If you're building a project or a sign, and you say, Mr. P, I want to dress it up a little bit. I'll say, okay, no problem. Let's look at the difference. I got all, make sure I'm on the right side. Correct? V's are going this way. V's are going that way. Look at the difference. So when I cut it, I'll show you the difference when I cut it on there. See that one and that one. One's inside, one's outside. And I just see better when I cut it. All right, what do we have left? Oh, we got another one. You know, Mr. P, I don't want to do radius, I want to do straight angles. Okay, look, again, the green tool. We have that inside corner right here. It's very important we stay tight there. All right, we'll take this piece like this, hold it on there, remember? No gappage, gotta hold it tight. And we'll draw it like this. We'll do all four corners. What is that doing right now? What it does is, it just takes the edges and puts them on a little bit of angle. See it? But it's the same angle all the way around. All right? I'm gonna make some cuts. I got my safety glasses on. I'll make some cuts and we'll see what the product looks like when we're done. All right, be right back.